In 1974, humanity sent a message into space. It wasn't a greeting, it wasn't a warning, it was a question designed to be understood only by intelligent life. What no one expected was the possibility that something answered. And decades later, an object would appear on Earth, carrying patterns that look strangely familiar. On November 16, 1974, a powerful radio signal was transmitted from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. The message was designed by astronomer Frank Drake and approved by Carl Sagan. It was sent toward the Hercules constellation, nearly 25,000 light-years away. Encoded in binary, the signal contained basic information about humanity, mathematics, chemistry, DNA, the human form, Earth's population, and even a diagram of the radio telescope that sent the message. It was not meant to start a conversation. It was meant to announce that we exist. At the time, scientists believed that any reply would take tens of thousands of years, but something strange happened much sooner. In August of 2001, a massive formation appeared overnight in a wheat field near Chilbolton Observatory in England. From above, the formation appeared to be structured intentional and disturbingly familiar. Next to a humanoid face, a second formation mirrored the structure of the original Arecibo message arranged in the same binary format. But the information was different. The figure suggested a non-human form, a different genetic structure, a different planetary system, and most notably, it depicted a transmitting device and antenna. Many dismissed it as a hoax, others saw it as coincidence, but the pattern itself raised a question that was never fully answered. Years later in Colombia, an unusual metallic sphere was discovered near the town of Buga. At first glance, it appeared smooth and featureless, but closer inspection revealed something unusual: 16 distinct points embedded into its surface, 2 larger points possibly related to orientation, and 14 smaller ones, arranged symmetrically 7 on each side. The material was later identified as copper. Inside, fiber optic cables were found, and the internal structure suggested an organized circuit system, not decorative, not random, functional. This is where the story becomes unsettling. The 14 smaller points on the sphere are arranged in a pattern that resembles transmission arrays. And when researchers compared this layout to the antenna depicted in the 2001 crop formation near Chilbolton, the similarities were hard to ignore. Same number of points, same symmetry, same radial logic. Independent designs rarely share identical structures without a reason. Even more curious, another crop formation appeared in 2010 at Roundway Hill in England. When rendered in 3 dimensions, the formation closely resembled a spherical object with radiating nodes, the same geometry, the same balance, the same logic of signal distribution. Coincidence can explain many things, but repetition across time, location, and medium raises new questions. Scientists examining the sphere of Buga have confirmed several facts. The object rotates, its mass appears to fluctuate, its temperature changes without an obvious energy source. The copper points connect internally through fiber optics, and the layout resembles a transmission system. What has not been confirmed is whether the system is active. No signal has been detected, no transmission identified, and no conclusion reached. For now, everything surrounding the sphere must remain speculative. But one thing is clear: we are observing something that does not fit neatly into known categories. In science, coincidence is always the first explanation, but coincidence does not always provide the full answer. If these patterns are connected, then the question is not who sent them. The question is whether we have already been part of a conversation we didn't realize was happening, and whether we are only now beginning to recognize the signal.